Hello, I'm Lance with Rive, and today I'm going to show you how to take this Rive file and make it a Google App ad so that it can be displayed in iOS and Android apps. You can see that there's a little bit of interactivity, and if I resize it, it's going to handle any dimensions. So the first thing we need to do is export it for runtime. I'm just going to save it to my downloads folder for now. Next, let's go to the Rive's template so that it's really easy for you to build and package the Rive app. So it is github.com/riveapp/Rive use cases. And we're going to copy this and go to our dev folder and say get whatever dev folder you use and say git clone. And that is going to put it on our local computer, and we can now go to Rive use cases. And inside there, we're going to do Rive Google Ads, examples, and then Rive Google Ads parcel. To install all packages, including Rive, we're going to do npm I or npm install. Now, if we do npm start, it's going to run on localhost 1234. And here it is working with the demo file. So let's actually swap this out for our file. We're going to go to our code editor, and I'm going to just drag and drop this into the assets folder. Then I'm going to go to our index.html, and you can see that it's got some HTML styling, and the module that the script that we're using is basic Rive add. And up here, it tells you which Riv it's using. So we're going to switch this for wc __ op.riv. And you can see that it swaps it out for the correct file. Great. Now that we've got that working, we can stop our server and we can do npm run build. That's going to create some files for us. And these are the files that we're going to zip and upload to Google. So we've got our index, our JavaScript file, the actual Riv, and the WASM. So with Google App Ads, it won't let us call external code. So everything has to be wrapped up here. All right. Next step, we're going to zip them up. They live in the dist folder. We're going to right click and say compress. This is the file that we're going to upload to Google. So now we can go to our ad campaign. You're going to create a new campaign. I've already done some of this, but now I'm here on the ad group. And I'm going to go down to where it says HTML5. I'm going to choose a file to upload. Actually, just going to drag this right in here. And click Save. If you give it a second, it's going to give us a preview. And there it goes. All right, it's almost working. The one problem is it looks too big. So I am going to go into my, my basic Rive ad, and I'm going to set the scale factor to 1 instead of 2. And if you go to the, oh, I stopped the local server. 1 sec. So let's go back to start. And you can see that now it's going to be the right size. So now we can do build, rezip it up, our dist folder. Oh, it deleted everything, so we don't have to delete the the archive. Now go back to your ad campaign. I'm going to edit this, deselect the one that we don't actually want. So we want that archive. Save it again. Give it a minute to refresh. And you see now we have an ad, and it's working perfectly. That's all you have to do to create a Rive Google ad.